Here's a clear, practical explanation of NordVPN's multi-hop, also called double VPN, feature especially relevant for users in the Gulf region, UAE, Saudi Arabia, GCC, who want to understand what it is, how it works, and when it makes sense to use it. What is NordVPN multi-hop, double VPN? Multi-hop, often branded by NordVPN as double VPN, means your internet traffic doesn't just go through one VPN server, it travels through two, or more, VPN servers in sequence before reaching the internet. Each step adds an extra layer of encryption and IP masking. Instead of, you rightward arrow VPN rightward arrow internet, you get something like, you rightward arrow VPN server A rightward arrow VPN server B rightward arrow internet. This is sometimes also called a multi-hop VPN because your traffic hops through more than one server. How multi-hop literally works. With a typical VPN, 1. Your device encrypts the data. 2. It goes to one VPN server. 3. That server decrypts/encrypts it and sends it on to the destination. With multi-hop, 1. Your data goes to server A rightward arrow encrypted and sent on. 2. Server A sends it to server B rightward arrow a fresh encryption layer and new IP address. 3. Server B forwards it to the internet with that second IP. 4. When the response comes back, the process reverses to your device. Each hop changes the IP and adds another encryption layer, making tracing your original location and data even harder. Why GCC users might want multi-hop? Extra privacy and anonymity. Multi-hop makes it even harder for anyone ISPs, trackers, or surveillance actors to trace your connection back to you because your traffic is masked twice. This can be useful if you, are handling sensitive information, work files, personal data. Want maximum anonymity on public networks. Are concerned about sophisticated tracking or monitoring. Stronger protection against surveillance in regions where privacy is a top priority. Additional hops make your connection substantially harder to analyze, because an observer would need to break multiple encrypted tunnels to reconstruct your path. Likelihood of bypassing censorship. Routing through more than one country can sometimes help when direct VPN connections are throttled or blocked. It's harder for restrictive networks to detect and block traffic that's chained through multiple regional hops. Note: NordVPN manages most of that behind the scenes on their double VPN servers. You just pick a server combo from the feature list in the app. Trade-offs and real-world considerations. Slower speeds. More hops equals more encryption plus extra routing equals slower connections than a single VPN hop. This might matter for heavy streaming, gaming, or large downloads. Not always necessary for many daily activities like browsing, streaming, Netflix/Disney Plus/etc. and normal VPN. Use a single secure VPN connection. NordLynx, OpenVPN, is already strong. Multi-hop is mostly for maximum privacy needs. Complexity. Using multi-hop doesn't require manual setup in the NordVPN app. You just choose the double VPN server category, but technically it's more complex. Routing, and certain services, especially those that check IP/latency, may not work perfectly. Best cases to use it, especially in the Gulf, high-risk travel or public networks, extra protection on unknown Wi-Fi, protecting sensitive communications, banking, business, legal data. If you suspect traffic monitoring or deep packet inspection, avoiding attribution in privacy-focused workflows. For everyday privacy or streaming from Saudi Arabia/UAE, a standard VPN connection, NordLynx, is usually enough. Multi-hop is more niche, a maximum privacy feature rather than a daily driver. Best practice for Gulf users: 1. Use it if privacy matters more than speed, example confidential data, research. 2. For general browsing and daily use, stick to a single, fast server, NordLynx. 3. Avoid using multi-hop when streaming high bandwidth content or gaming. The added routing can impact performance.